Okay, Algebra 1, Unit 1, Lesson 6. Solving for a variable, solving literal equation. Literal equation, what is a literal equation? Literal equation, that means there's an equation, and in the equation there are more than one letter. For example, 5x equal to 10. This is not a literal equation because we only have one variable. If we have 5x plus b equal to 10, this is a literal equation because we have two unknown. We have x and we have b, right? Literal equation. More than one letter in the equation. More than one unknown. Okay. Solve the equation for the indicated variables. First one, x equal to 3 times y. We're going to solve for y. We solve for y, that means we need the y all alone by itself on one side. And all the other stuff, we don't know how crazy stuff, they all go to the different side. We solve the letter, that means we want this letter all alone by itself. All alone by itself, isolated. Okay, now 3y, that means 3 times y. We need to get rid of 3. We're going to divide both sides by 3. So 3 divided by 3, they cancel out. Yeah? So we only have y. On the other side, we have x over 3. Done. If you want to write more proper, so y equal to x over 3. Or you can call x divided by 3. So either way, this, they both correct. The same, yeah, the same. Number 2, for p. Oh, I think this one, I made a mistake. This one, you don't have to solve it. P is already alone by itself. I think there's a typo. There is a typo. Let's forget about this question, okay? I need to I need to change. So number 4. Number 4, we're going to solve for D. Where's D? Oh, CD. That means C times D. Okay, we're going to solve for D. We need to get rid of E first by subtract E. Right? Subtract E on both sides. Or I can move positive E to the other side. So 21, positive E become negative E. C, D. Right? Now, get rid of the C. We're going to divide both sides by C. Divide both sides by C. Or 21 divided by C. E divided by C. Yeah. You can write either this way, or you separate each term. Each term divided by C, right? C divided by C, that's 1. Cancel out. So the final equation is this. Or you want to write like this. That's okay too, yeah? D equal to 21 minus E all over C. So either way, so this way and this way. As long as we have D all alone by itself. Yeah. Number 5. Number 5 for J. Ooh. J is at the bottom of H, right? So how do I get rid of the fraction? We don't like fraction. So I'm going to multiply J on both sides, right? If I multiply J with a fraction, the J, I'm thinking J is a whole number. Yeah? We multiply J on both sides, right? So J cancel out. We have H equal to 5J. Then we divide both sides by 5. divide both sides by 5. 5 divided by 5, cancel out. H over 5. H divided by 5. So this is the final equation. Another way to solve it. So H over J. H over J equal to 5. I can flip it, so J over H equal to 1 over 5. Reciprocal, right? And then multiply both sides by H. Multiply both sides by H. So J equal to 1/5 of H, or H multiplied by a fraction, H goes to the top, so 5 over, H over 5. So either way, you get the same answer. Okay. Oh, I need to make a change. B, solve the formula for indicated variable. 7, formula for the perimeter. Perimeter of a rectangle. Perimeter, that means all the sides add up, right? This is A, this is also A, B, the B, yeah? Perimeter means you add up all the side lengths, right? So we're going to solve for B. B is right here. So I'm going to get rid of 2A. So I'm going to move 2A to the other side. So P minus 2A, yeah? Positive 2A, move to the other side, become negative 2A, become minus 2A. Now I'm going to divide both sides by 2. When you divide, you have to divide every term. You divide a number. So 2 divided by 2 is gone. So B equal to P over 2 minus, 2 divided by 2, cancel out, right? Yeah, P over 2 minus A. Done. Solve for B. Number 8, formula for the circumference of a circle. Circumference of circle, that means the length of the circle, right? Oh, we have some question missing. Number 3, for T. I think I made a mistake again here. Typo. T is already solved. Do not do number 3. Okay, number 6. Solve for F. F is right here. F minus 7 divided by G. So we need to get rid of the G, right? We don't want the fraction. So we're going to multiply by G on both sides. By G. G cancel out. We only have 5 minus 7 equal to H times G. How do I get rid of the negative 7? I move it to the other side. It becomes positive 7. That's it. Done. Okay, number 8. Formula for the circumference of a circle. That means the total length of this curve, right? The circle. C equal to 2 pi, 2 times pi times r. Pi is 3.1415, blah, blah. It's infinitely many digits, right? So pi is just a number. We solve for r. So 2 pi r, that means 2 times pi times r. So this is all multiplication. So we are going to, so we're going to divide both sides by 2 pi. 2 times pi, 2 pi. 2 pi, cancel out. We only have r left. Yeah? 2 pi, cancel out. On the other side, C over 2 pi, just copy and drop. Done. That's it. Number 9, formula for the sum of an angle of a triangle. So 1, 2, 3. 3 angles add up in any triangle. 3 angles add up equal to 180. We solve for C. So C equal to 180 degree. We need to get rid of A from the same side of C. So this is positive A, move to the other side, become negative A. Then positive B, move to the other side, become negative B. That's it. Easier than you think. Yeah? We just move A and B to the other side. Both positive, move to the other side. Minus, minus. That's it. Number 10. Volume of a cylinder for H. So pi times r squared times H. Okay. All multiplication. So we are going to divide both sides by pi r squared. Divide by pi r squared. Pi r squared. Pi r squared cancel out. Because they're the same, right? Same thing, cancel out. We only have H left. And on the other side, pi r squared. V over pi r squared. That's it. That's it. Okay, word problem. She earns $15 per hour babysitting plus transportation for $5. Write a formula for E. The earning for per babysitting job in terms of H. H means hour, right? The number of hours for a job and solve for the formula for H. So the earning, the total earning equal to $15 per hour. So $15 times how many hours? And then plus the transportation to give you $5 more for to get to the house, right? So we're gonna solve for H. So the total earning equal to $15 times how many hours and plus the transportation cost. We're gonna solve for H. Okay, solve for H. First, I'm gonna get rid of the positive 5. Go to the other side, become negative 5. E minus 5 equal to 15 times H. Yeah? Now I have to divide both sides by 15. Divide by 15. Divide by 15. Each term divided by 15. 15 divided by 15 cancel out. So H equal to E over 15 minus. We should write minus 5 over 15, right? But 5 over 15, we have to simplify. So 5 over 15, both top and bottom can be divided by 5. This is how we simplify a fraction. You divide the top and bottom number by a same number. The value stay the same. The fraction the number look way smaller, but the value look the same. So 5 over 15 is equal to 1/3. 5 divided by 5 equal to 1. 15 divided by 5, that's 3. So this is the final answer, right? If you want to write, if you want to write like, I want to write like this. So H equal to earning E minus divided by 15 and subtract 1/3. If you want to write like this, put H to the left side. That's okay too. Number 12, a taxi driver charges a fixed fee of P to pick up a passenger. And then, in addition, the driver charges the mileage rate M for each mile driven. Write a formula for T, the total charge for a trip of D mile. So the total charge is going to be T total equal to a fixed, that means the one-time thing. Yeah, P plus mileage rate. So mileage rate times D mile, yeah. Mileage rate, that means how much going to cost for every mile they drive you, right? And then you need to time the distance. How many miles? Yeah, so this is the formula. Pickup fee times the how much for 1 mile, and then times how many miles. So you're going to solve, write a formula, the total charge for trip. Yeah, this is a formula. We don't have to solve anything. The question is write a formula for T. Yeah, so that's it. Number 13, use your formula from problem 12 to find the taxi driver's mileage rate if his pickup fee is 5, and then he charges 26 for a 7-mile trip. Oh, again, the formula is T equal to P plus MD, right? Oh, so T equal to P plus M times D. So the pickup fee is 5, right? Pickup fee is 5. So I'm going to replace P by 5. He charges 26. Oh, the total charge is 26. 7-mile trip. 7, that's the distance. So we're going to solve for the mileage, right? To find the taxi driver's mileage rate. Mileage rate, it means how much it cost for 1 mile. Yeah. So we're going to solve for M. I need to get rid of the 5. So I'm going to move the 5 to the other side. Let's do 26 minus 5 equal to 7M. Or you can directly minus 5 on both sides, right? You got the same thing. It's a little messier. So I run out of room. So 26 minus 5, that is 21. 21 equal to 7 times M. Divide both sides by 7. M equal to 3. That means $3 per mile, right? So the taxi driver going to pick you up. The pickup fee is $5. And every mile he drive you to somewhere, every mile going to charge you $3. So that the mileage rate is 3. All right, this is lesson 6.